trust is actually very core to my heart. It's not a topic that I wrote about on my flight in. It's something that I've been seeing and experiencing, and seeing businesses succeed. So this is something that I thought that if speed of thought is for vision, I think speed of trust is for execution. Many of you come from large businesses. You've often seen the CEO and the CFO and then the top 10 or 20 guys. Let me tell you, they are not the best guys in your company. They are not the most talented. I mean, if you take a large company like GE, they are not the best in their trade, but they're most trustworthy. The top 20 guys in any company are not necessarily the most talented. They are the most trustworthy, and that's why they are there. Now we are going back from the offline to the pure online world. We are purely talking about building trust online. So if you see, the first one is design, cleanliness. The second is extremely interesting, clicker effect. I mean, if all you guys, you're investing your time here, your money here, and if you want to just take just one thing from this presentation and forget everything else, it should be that click here effect. I'll explain this a bit later, but do note it down. That's the single most important thing. If you had to if I put a gun on your head and said, forget the 6 pillars, just remember one pillar, then that would be it. Content quality, the edge factor, SEO and social media rankings, all in the name, and technology platform. So these are the 7. After a lot of research and compiling, I said everything that you need to build trust online, on your website, or on any online property could be covered in these 7 examples. You've got the first impression, now you need more facts. So essentially the whole process of building trust is a combination of one or more of these 7 factors. One factor alone cannot build trust. You need one or more factors. One factor would be a leading factor, design. So when there's third-party validation, the site automatically gets prominence. So link building in a way, but link building is not the only way. So that's what I call the click here effect. And this not only refers to link building. When you get awards, third-party validations, certificates, testimonials, anything that shows third parties, not you, you don't brag about yourself. You don't say, I'm the best company, I'm the best person, my insurance product is the best. When third people say, when awards, or when absolutely third parties recognize your skill, that's a very high level of trust.